Here's a 2016 Cadillac CTS Sedan. Exceptional elegance and masterfully crafted, this CTS amplifies your driving experience. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com observed, handling was hard to fault with quick, precise steering and a flat, composed attitude through quick transitions. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.